Hi everyone. Okay, today I upload a lot of new photo on Spreadshirt. You can see the link on YouTube here. If you want to buy a shirt, a cup, they have a lot of new photo. Our JK, you want to buy t-shirt, JK picture, everything you can see here. Yeah. On our description, the YouTube video description, you can find the link, so you can buy whatever clothes with picture that you want, like the latest, the new, the couple, and then also on Spider, JK Shaki. Yeah, you can go to the link. It Spreadshirt showroom. Okay, I hope you all enjoy that. I'm going to upload more new picture. So okay, where is the okay? We put the picture of Shaki and JK eating. There. Okay. So we are going to edit, and then we are going to release the picture so everyone can buy. Yeah. I'm going to apply for all product. There, you got cup, you got cap, you got shirt, you got bag, everything. Yeah. Come on everyone, if you buy this shirt, same like you support me. Yeah, support my charity. Okay, we got a lot of new picture I'm going to upload. See? I already edit the picture. JK on the plate. Okay everyone, if you want to buy, you just on our link. Yeah, on our link. Where is my YouTube link? Okay, there you see, can see at the link there. This is the spread showroom. Yeah, you just click here and then you will get the link. Okay. Spread shop. See, they got a lot of new